Good morning, dear children. Today we will write a sentence. Tom is a boy. Okay, so ma'am will tell you the rules of writing a sentence. Okay. Our first rule is we always start sentence with a capital letter. So in this Tom, T is the first letter. So T is capital. Okay. So Tom, and then we leave equal gap. See, there is this gap between the words is equal, and then we finish the sentence with a full stop. So let's see how we write. So we always start, whenever we write words or sentences, we always start with the margin, from the margin. So we will start here. Make a slant line. Okay, T. Continue writing. O. Tom. Now, how to keep a finger gap? We are writing with our right hand. So we will take the index finger of our left hand and keep it after Tom. Now, where after? We will touch Tom and then keep the finger. We will not keep it anywhere. We will not keep it away from it. Okay. So we will just touch Tom with our finger, and then we will keep our pencil on the other end of the finger here. Okay. Touching it, not anywhere else. Touching it. And then remove the finger and write is, now this is the point. Please don't put big dots. Just make a mark. Again, keep your finger here. Then keep your finger here. And put the dot. Okay, full stop. The full stop will be on the third line, or you can say the second blue line. So this is the first blue line, second blue line. Put it on it. Don't put anywhere else above or below it, or put it away from it. Near this last word, and put it on the third line. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now again. Now can you see the gap? Is it equal gap? I will show you some examples where the gap is not equal. I will show you that also. But for now, see, the gap is equal. So let's write the third sentence. Once again, please watch. T. O. M. Tom. Now keep the finger, index finger of your left hand. Once again, I will repeat. You will touch the word and keep the finger. Please do not keep the finger here, otherwise the gap will be, unequal. Or after putting the finger also, if you do not touch the finger and keep the pencil, you keep the pencil anywhere else, again your gap will not be proper. So don't even put it this much away. No, this is also wrong. So touch the finger and write the next word. I think you have understood this now. Now ma'am will tell you what happens if you do not keep proper gap. See, if you do not keep proper gap, this will happen. See, in this first sentence, very little gap, and then a big gap, a big gap. Is the sentence looking beautiful? No, no? So see the second sentence. Tom, then there is a big gap, then no gap, then again a big gap. If you do not touch the margin, please don't do that. Please touch the margin and see the gap here. See the gap. I will show you with the finger. Is this one finger gap? No. So therefore, since you are small children and you do not know how to maintain a proper gap, therefore ma'am tells you to keep your finger and then write. If you keep your finger, this gap will be equal. Can you see the difference? So here there is a big gap. Now this gap is obviously not one finger gap and it is a big gap. We don't keep so much gap. Then here almost no gap. And here no gap at all. So this kind of sentence will not look good. Even leaving a big gap will not look good. Leaving unequal gap will not look good. Okay. Now see, if you do not keep the finger and your line is going slant every time, so this is what is going to happen. If you keep your finger here, then this thing won't happen. Is that clear? So now you have come to know how you will write. Now there are some left-handed children in the class. So they hold the pencil in the left hand. Now how will they maintain the gap? See, I am not a left-hander, so please excuse me. I am not writing. I am just showing you how they write. Okay, they write Tom. Okay. After this, keep the finger of your right hand and put a mark here. Okay, make a mark here and then remove the finger. Is again keep the right hand finger, make a mark and write a, then again keep this finger here, make a mark and write. Okay, now this, I know it is uncomfortable, but for initial days in UKG you will keep your finger and write. Once you know how to write nicely, then obviously you can remove your finger, but then also you have to take care of these mistakes which ma'am showed you just now. These mistakes which ma'am showed you. Okay, so you will have to take care of these mistakes. But initially in UKG you will keep the finger and write. And now today's work, you will do full page of this Tom is a boy. Okay, and you will keep the finger. Please make a video of only 2 lines. Video of only 2 lines and send it to ma'am. Ma'am wants to see how you are using your finger while writing. Okay. All right. Bye. Happy writing.